Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Ericka and this is Muffin, and today we have a room decor collab with three of our besties here on YouTube, which is Tyna from Maria's Doll World and Christina from Miss Chrissy Cat, and last but not least, Ericka from Little Crafty Kitty. So to get started, I'm going to decorate this entire space. It needs a new look. Christmas is over and I have like no decor, so I thought this collab would be really fun with my friends. So me and Muffin are going to start decorating this entire room. I will also include some little clips at the end of how I made certain little things. So let's get started. Muffin, you need to come over here and sit so you get out of the way. Now you stay right there and be a good girl. Don't move. Too bad I don't have a big strong man to help me move this couch. Ugh. It's okay, I don't need a man to help me. I can do this all on my own. I'm sorry, Muffin, are you okay? Muffin, don't fall, I'm so sorry. Ugh. There we go. Go get my baby. I'm so sorry, baby. Mommy's so sorry, baby. I'm so sorry. You okay? Okay, you can sit on the couch. I'm done moving it. Are you judging Mommy? You judging me? Yeah, Mommy's a goof. Sorry, she didn't mean to hit you with the couch. Will you forgive me? Okay, you stay right over here on the couch, and when I'm done, then you can get up and play, okay? Moving furniture is never easy when your little ones are in the way, because accidents may happen. So now I'm going to decorate that wall over there. Ooh. Ugh. Crap, my hand's in the way. Come on. Scooch, scooch, scooch. Scooch, scooch, scooch. What else could I need in here? Oh yeah, I need a table. Of course I do. Let me go get one. Where's it at? Muffin, do you remember where I put the table at? It's okay if you don't. Got one. Got a table. Uh-oh. Oh no. It dropped. Now I can use a coffee table. Focus. Okay, now I can use a coffee table. I could also use a rug for this room as well. Where to put it? Should it go over here? Or should it go over here? I'm thinking it's gonna go in front of the fireplace. My couch could use some decorating too. This could use some decor too. My fireplace could use some decor too. Now let's give you a tour of our room decor. So over here by the fireplace, I've got some knitting and some crocheting hooks in here. I also got this little lantern planter thingy, and I also got some cutouts from Hobby Lobby from a magazine. I think those look so cute. And over here we have my jewelry box coffee table and a rug that I just made last night on the YouTube Live. And over here we have a simple throw blanket that I just used out of fabric. And I crocheted some of these honeycomb pillows made out of yarn that I did in a video this week. Well, last week. And over here, over there, right over there, you will notice my little table that I also have some goodies on as well. Down below we got some throw blankets that I've made out of fabric. And then over here we have a little tea, coffee pot, or whatever, and a little tier tray that needs some snacks. I definitely need some snacks. We definitely need some treats, don't we, Muffin? And then we also have our little windmill shelf that could also hold coffee mugs, which you will see in today's video. So that is my room tour. So I'm going to show you how I made my little windmill shelf thingy. I haven't made anything to put on it or anything like that, but I am taking a piece of metal, and I actually got it from a cookie can, and I just cut it into kind of like triangles, and then I just hot glued some wire on the back. And the reason why I used the circle pan was just so it would hold its shape. And hot glue and metal, they don't really go along. They don't really like get along too well. But I feel like it worked out at the end, and then I ended up gluing on some coffee stirrers, and I ended up painting them silver later on. I should have painted them first, but you know, you learn as you go. And then I just went ahead and I glued it to the wire too, and I also glued on another one because I wanted it to have two shelves just in case if I ever want to glue anything on there. And I did kind of curl the ends of the wire so there'll be like little hooks so I could maybe glue on some coffee cups or something. For my little lantern that I ended up turning into a planter later on, I just went ahead and I took some clear packaging and I folded it into fours, and then I used some regular tape just to close it. I didn't use any glue, and now I'm just painting on black lines with acrylic paint. It's so simple. Okay, so one of my side tables, I'm actually going to take 4 bobby pins, and I'm taking another metal tray. I actually got this from, it's like from Cinnamon Rolls, and it has like the little icing on it. I just reused the little trays because they're so much fun. And I'm taking some needle nose pliers, and I'm going to go ahead and flatten the ends, kind of like a V shape, and these are going to be the legs. And again, hot glue and metal doesn't always want to work the best together, but I think it ends up looking kind of cute. It's very simple and very basic, and I like that I didn't have to paint it or anything like that, but I did go over and make more hot glue onto the stand so it would stay put. And now I'm just making my little planter. I'm actually just taking these fake little green leaves from an old plant, and it's plastic, and I just stick it in a little lid from a perfume bottle. And now for my coffee table, it's actually a jewelry box holder, and I just glued on some marbles to the feet. And for this is actually my tier tray, and these are actually from a old Christmas ornament that you can get at the dollar store, and it's like a little drum set. I just took it apart, and I am actually gluing a screw in the middle to be like the little holder, and I made it like a 3-tier kind of tray. I thought it was really cute, and I ended up gluing on a silver little button on top just for a little detail. So don't forget to check the description box down below to check out all the girls' videos and part of this collab. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!